Good morning, guys. How's it going? Thank you for tuning in to another video. Rush SRT back at it again. Today's video, we're heading to a little Mopar meetup, so I'm taking you guys with me. Should be a lot of fun. And I haven't seen the boys in a minute, so we're gonna go all and hang out and check out some of the guys got new cars. So we'll be able to show you guys that today. So I can grab side view though. She has been sleeping in the garage today, so here she is. I took her out this morning, to be honest. So I'm gonna open up my garage here. Tight garage, makes life a little hard. Grab turn off the light here. Opa. All right, we're good to go now. Let's go ahead and head out. Look how close I have to get to the wall just to jump in the cart. Whoa. All right, so let's go on and head over and see what's up today. So we have 6.2 Hellcat, Saucy right here, who is Bry, 6.4 Alex, and then I don't know who this guy is, but I'll let you guys figure that one out. But it's a nice little clean lineup, a lot of different colors, which I like. These two definitely grab the most attention, the red and the yellow. Oh, and this is like the Maverick little inlet things that I've seen on Instagram quite a bit. A lot of people have them. Does he have them too? Yeah. No. Yeah, so Brian ended up getting a new car since the last one was totaled.
A little accident.
A little accident. So this is a 2018 Scatpack.
Yeah.
RT, right? You have the heated cooled seats, adaptive cruise control, no adaptive cruise control. What other options do you have?
Blind spot monitors, 4-piston brakes, obviously, what else?
Did you already take a saw?
They came off like that, actually.
Okay, cool.
Remote start, everything came tinted, all the windows came tinted.
Nice.
Yeah. Overall, I mean, this car came pretty stock as is.
Silver looks pretty good. You need some coolant though.
You do need some coolant, Jesus Christ.
You are under the cold fill range.
And your engine's hot too, which means it's, the coolant already is expanded. So you're fucking like way below.
It's so modded, right? Right now?
We're doing a mandatory check on coolant since Brian is really low on coolant.
Please. Brian's low on the windshield wiper fluid too. All his videos, I see the little sign. You know what? That's just the windshield wiper.
Oh my god, he's even more low than all of you.
What?
Look how low you are.
We're good. Yo, check out Saucy. He's actually pretty cool.
Oh my god. I'm kind of worried now.
Look.
Oh, nice.
It came like that.
That's fucking nice. It's a little dirty, but it's... See, there we go. That's a good freaking car owner right there. Look at that. At the cold fill line all the way to the top. You guys want to see mine?
Nah, I don't want to see yours.
I'm actually scared to see mine too.
It's not so bad.
Hang on, let me get the first... Oh, look at that. Would you look at that?
He knew exactly how.
No, I just did it the other day because I swapped out the thermostat.
I want to get these.
Yeah.
These valve covers.
No, you're not an SRT.
Yeah,
Stop.
you're not.
Stop. No, I'm just kidding. All right, go for it. Wait, can you only rev to 4,000, right? That's it? You didn't get that tuned?
No.
No. You can or you can't?
No, you can, but like it's not recommended by tuners though.
Why?
Because like the engine isn't built to fucking rev out to red line. It's
In
not
order
like Mustangs or
Gotcha.
In order to do that, you have to upgrade your push pins inside the engine, so you can rev a little bit higher.
I always wondered why we were limited to 4,000.
Perfect with stock.
Okay guys, I'm gonna roll out, grab some food real quick, and then we're off to the meet. The lineup's pretty sick right now. Got all these guys. Oh my God. Here we go. Damn, riding his car sounds really good. He took out his resonators. I think even his cats are out too. So a fully straight pipe. And then the Hellcat in front of me has a tune on it, which makes it crackle and pop a lot more than a normal Hellcat would. And then we have the yellow jacket right here. Okay guys, so we just wrapped up our food. We're heading over to the meet now. Cruise over. Oh my God. That thing moves out. Okay guys, so we finally made it over here to the meet. Oh, we got a Demon pulling up, a Hot Wheels, Hellcat, some other cars right here. Thing looks so nice. Those are awesome. The Hot Wheels Hellcat. It's kind of a similar thing that I had on the outside ring here, but this one has a lot of cool designs to it. And it's got an underglow kit as well. Let's go ahead and do a walk around and run that demon. I have Alex pulling up right here. Look at those things. Some beefy tires. These are Nitto 315 40 18s. Such a wide stance on it.
I got lost a little bit.
Yeah, I was wondering where you went.
I lost.
That's right. He's running. What is he running? Oh, is it a TA?
I think it's just an SRT.
Think so?
He's got the 6 piston.
Yeah, okay, it could be a TA. I think it might be a TA.
There's this one. There's a TA or SRT?
How's it going, bro? Rush, nice to meet you.
This is yours?
No. What's this? I'm just standing in front of the demon. Now I got the Scatpack.
Hey, who's this one?
So the reason this meet is hosted is for chemical guys right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and check them out. They should be having a sale of some sort. Oh, look at this thing. Now this thing is like fully done up. This is like auto detailing heaven right here. Damn, that's so smooth. This paint is legit like a mirror. Alrighty guys, this really sick Charger pulled up. He's bagged, wheels and everything done to it. Has a lip kit on, you know, side skirts, wrapped in a satin white. Obviously has the DRL boards. Sweet car. If you want to check him out on Instagram, it's GA_392. It's got a Nitto banner on there as well. Very, very clean car. And these things look sweet when they're bagged. And check it out. Let me show you the trunk, the airlift system.
Yeah, they gave me a literally a Hellcat. They gave me the car they didn't want. What was your car before? Just regular car. Stand forward. No way! They even upgraded.
Zombie response vehicle. But it looks like we're gonna go ahead and head out now. It was a lot of fun, this little meet. There's a lot of people here, as you guys can see. A lot of Mopars. It's always nice to see. And yeah, so we're gonna head out. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like on it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Rush SRT signing out. Peace.